Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these simple handmade candy cane Christmas tree ornaments out of fabric scraps. Use them for your holiday tree or even to decorate your Christmas presents. It's an easy project that goes together super fast and it's great for beginners too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable candy cane templates. My shop's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project right away. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need red and white fabric strips, a backing fabric, batting or felt, a ribbon for hanging, pinking shears, and the printable candy cane templates. First, place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center the batting or felt on top and place one red fabric strip from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place a white strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on the long side of the strips and pin it in place. If you don't have a long enough strip, just stitch your scraps together to make a longer strip. Then stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. If you're using felt, finger press it instead of using your iron. Place another red strip on top of the white strip with the right sides facing each other. Pin it in place and stitch along the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open and continue adding strips until you get to the edge of your batting or felt. Turn the piece around and repeat the steps on the other side of the batting or felt piece. Now flip the piece over and use the backing as a guide to trim away the excess strips. Arrange the paper templates to the front of the fabric at least 3/4 inch away from the edge and from each other. Pin in place and rough cut around the templates. Stitch the candy cane by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. And repeat for the rest of the candy canes. Use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Cut the ribbon into 7-inch pieces and fold each ribbon in half to make a loop. With the loop facing upwards, place the raw edges of the ribbon on the back of the candy cane and stitch over the previous stitching to hold it in place. And do the same for all the candy canes. And just like that, just that fast, you've made some easy homemade decorative candy cane ornaments for your Christmas tree or your Christmas gifts. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.